Hello and welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the cool places you can find me. This is the Ipsy November 2020 glam bag with the theme Be Present. I'll just read all that fine print to you. Hashtag blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, the first swipe of a new lipstick, a DIY mani, video chatting with an old friend, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. Why don't we just hop into all these cool products right now? So hey, Ipsy, November 2020, cool little fall looking bag here. Peachy on the inside. Okay, here's what's cool about Ipsy. You review the bags, you review the products, you refer friends, you get points. You trade those points in for products, they put them in with your bags. It's not necessarily on this card. So I traded in some of my points and got this Colored Rain eyeshadow palette. Check it out, a lot of neutrals there. There's one of them. There. I have a brush here, but there's more eyeshadow in this bag, so I don't want to play too much. There we go. Then on to the actual stuff that came in the bag. Whoop! Avette Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Cleanser. It's supposed to take off everything from smoky eyes to bold lips. It's a multitasking cleanser that will remove all your makeup. We'll find out. We'll be the judge of that. All right. Then skip around here because I'm going to need this. This is the Vasanti Angle Concealer Detail Brush. You could probably use it for anything. It's supposed to be used for cream or liquid concealer in a dabbing motion and then blend. I might actually use it on eyes. I don't know. We'll see. I'm supposed to use it on like your inner eye and stuff. We'll find out. We'll see what it do. Then we have Oryza, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, or Oryza Beauty Precious Platinum Shimmer Eyeshadow. Look at the cute little colors there. Okay, let's play. Let's play. What's the fun in having makeup if you don't play with it? So let's see. Let's take this shimmery color here. Oh, it doesn't shed much. Okay. There, you can see it go on a little better. And we'll just do this. There you go. So there's that. I hope I pronounced it right. If not, it happens. Then, Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner in Sunburst. Okay, finally, it says finally an eyeliner that requires no touch-ups. Okay. This looks we're just gonna line the eye. Add some eyeliner here. There we go. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there it is. You can obviously tell I used it because now the tip's worn down a little bit. Anyway, it's shimmery. Here, you know what? Let's put some in. Just the corner there. There we go. A little burst of highlight there. And then finally, it's tiny, but it goes a long way, and I love it. And I usually buy the large size anyway. The Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Concealer. It's one of the best concealers out there. I love it. It's so great. It's fabulous. So anyway, there is that. Here is where to find me. And like, subscribe, watch the next video. Until next time, stay beautiful.